So you've probably tried a lot to monetize your site and get approved by Adsense. But you end up receiving an email saying that, unfortunately, your site isn't ready to show ads at this time, and you need to fix some issues. Well, today we will fix those issues and show you exactly how I and others get our websites approved on our first ever attempt. So, I've built a roadmap that needs to be followed step by step in order to get to your final destination. And it's divided into 5 stations, each one a crucial step on your journey to being monetized. Think of it like driving a car. If you miss one of these steps, you lose your way. So, starting with stage 1, choosing the right hosting is key. Now, I guarantee that many of you don't pay attention to this because you have no idea what's happening in the background. And if you don't check what I'm about to show you now, the rest of stages won't matter anymore. Now, when you buy a shared hosting plan from any hosting company, you and the other clients are basically sharing the same server, which means you're all sharing the same IP address of the server. Now, before you start working on your site, you need first to check your IP reputation. If the server IP address has a poor reputation or being blacklisted, will indeed harm your chances of getting approved by Adsense. Now, because in a shared hosting environment, many websites share the same IP address. If some of these websites engage in malicious or spammy activities, it can potentially harm the reputation of that shared IP. So the ultimate solution is to aim for smaller hosting companies because they likely have few clients per server, which reduces the risk of affecting the IP reputation. And since they have few clients on that server, that also means your website will be much faster, which Google takes this as consideration of their evaluation process. So look no further. Our web hosting service provides the best hosting solution with a clean IP address and a fast performance. And on top of that, our prices are cheap and affordable for everyone. So don't miss it out. Move on to the next stage, which is the content of your site. Now, I assume that you already have a domain and bought your hosting plan. So what content I should put on my site? Because obviously I won't submit my request to Adsense with an empty website like this. So the most common way is to start a blog site and publish high-quality original articles as much as possible. Now, this may work, but still have a lower chance of being approved by Adsense. So the new and easy way is to build a web application or an online service using a PHP script. Now, keep in mind that you don't need to be a web developer, or you should have a deep knowledge in coding in order to make your script, because it's already made for you. Here is how. Let's say we would like, for example, to make a website like this, which provides a temporary email address to use for the sign-up and receiving mails in our inbox. So all we have to do is to open this website, codecanyon.net, and in the search bar, we can search for temporary email, and it will display us a bunch of PHP scripts that's already built for us that's do the same functions as the original site that we just saw. So once you get the script and upload it to your site, make sure to edit the default texts, the pages, change the logo, till you make your website look very unique, which will direct us to the third stage about the legal pages that your website should have. And this is divided into 2 necessary components: privacy policy and terms of service. Now, this particular step isn't that complex. You can simply Google privacy policy or terms of service generator, and you can open any of these websites to generate your legal pages. Stage 4. Technical SEO and ad compliance. Now, when it comes to technical SEO, we need to create robots.txt file, which looks something like this, and generate an XML sitemap file on our website. Then we need to submit our XML sitemap to Google Search Console to ensure that search engines can efficiently crawl and index our site properly. And for the ad compliance is when we add our ads.txt file in our website. Now, if you already have a hosting plan with us, you can simply open a ticket in our support department, and our technical team will assist you in setting up these files properly. So for the last stage that you shouldn't miss and strategically plan for is to generate traffic to your website. So in short, Google wants to see that your site isn't just a static page, it's a platform that's worth to be approved, that has an active audience. And the way we were able to get traffic that is 100% free is we only focused on making YouTube videos optimized for SEO. I mean, each one has his own way to get traffic, just make sure it's a legitimate one and avoid the fake traffic generation. If you're interested more in me getting in details on how I optimize my YouTube videos to get free traffic, Just make sure to let us know in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for not missing our upcoming videos. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one.